Hi guys, it's Lisa here from lisamcclatchy.com and Lisa McClatchy Personal Styling. And today I wanted to do a quick little video for you talking about statement earrings because I've been getting a lot of questions lately about this because it is a big spring summer trend. It usually is, sorry there's a hair here, every spring and summer, but it keeps just popping up, and I think it's one of those trends that's just here to stay, like a statement necklace. So, but a lot of women are nervous about this trend, and I understand why. There's a few reasons, and I'm going to go over them and how to get around those issues. So you can enjoy wearing statement earrings. Now, why I love wearing statement earrings, I'll just tell you very quickly, is they are the perfect accessory on a day when I don't really feel like doing much with how I look. So if I'm wearing a super casual outfit or just a casual outfit, don't feel like doing a full face of makeup, if I just put on some lipstick, if I haven't washed my hair and I put my hair back in a ponytail, I put on some lipstick and a statement earring, and I look like I've actually put effort into how I look. And it's super easy. So that's why I love a statement earring. Now, going into that sort of segues into my first tip though. If you are the type that's nervous about wearing that big, bold statement earring, you know, putting your hair back in the ponytail, and it's on display for everyone to see those big earrings, do what I'm doing today. So you could just wear your hair down around the earrings. You're still gonna see it, or pin it back a little bit. You're still gonna get the effect of the statement earring without it being so in your face and so flashy. So that's one tip if you're a little bit nervous and you want to tread lightly into this statement earring territory. So wear your hair down around them until you're brave enough to pull your hair back and really show them off. So in terms of styles, so one of the reasons a lot of women have sort of avoided them is because a statement earring is a big earring, and a big earring is usually a heavy earring. So, and nobody likes that discomfort of a heavy earring, and nobody likes the look of like an earring in here that's too heavy and it's pulling down your earlobe, and the actual ear hole for your earring is turned into a line instead of a hole because it's pulling it down. It's just not an attractive look. So that's why a lot of women have avoided it. But the good news is a lot of designers now are making very lightweight statement earrings. So that's one thing you want to look out for. Try it, when you're looking at an earring, pick it up to feel the weight of it. For example, this one is super lightweight. It's a lightweight metal. It's very, very thin, as you can see, like almost paper thin. It's a lightweight metal, and because it has like the little cutouts in it, it makes it even that much lighter because there's less metal there. So look for a style that's very lightweight. Feel them, lift them up, hold them to your ears, and to get an idea. As well, other styles that are not metal, there's feathers, which are super lightweight. A lot of designers are doing like leather and suede, like little pieces, and it's quite interesting, like visually. Adds a little bit of texture to the earring, as well as paper. I even saw people doing paper, like there's almost like little paper mache designs hanging from earrings. So those are super lightweight options as well. Now also look for, this is something I've been doing for a long time, but I feel like designers are finally cluing into it because I see a lot more of them now. So instead of doing an earring that has this little hook, which you can see, those hooks again are going to show, if it's too heavy, it's going to show your earring, that hole being pulled down into a line. So go for a style that has this stud. I'm not saying to go for a super heavy earring because that's just not comfortable, but if it's a bit of a more on the heavier side of a statement earring, but it's still tolerable to wear, but you just don't want that line, find a style that has this little stud. That way, if it is a little bit heavy, you're not going to see that little line pulling down your ear hole, and problem solved. Lastly, you don't have to wear a long earring for it to be a statement earring. So statement earrings can still be like really funky designs. There's a lot of them now that are like little big clusters, almost like a vintage vibe to them, like clusters of crystals or different stones in bright different colors, and some of them like go up the ear. Those are still statement earrings that aren't hanging down. So those are a few options. Now, in terms of how to wear them, so obviously a statement earring that is in a metal, so I'm talking about like a gold color, silver toned, brass, even rose gold. Those are going to be your most versatile because they will go with anything you wear. So whether you're wearing neutrals or whether you're wearing a bright sundress or prints and patterns and you're mixing those up, a statement earring that's just in a single metal or even mixed metals like this one will go with anything. However, if you want a very colorful earring or an earring that is a color or, you know, multiple colors, oh, my light, multiple colors. Stick with neutrals to begin with until you're comfortable sort of mixing those colors in the earrings with your outfit. So just stick to wearing neutrals on the bottom half. So jeans, any sort of blues, olive green is a neutral, white, tan, black, and then bring in those really bright earrings for wearing your neutral outfits. And then lastly, one of my favorite things in style, period, is creating a juxtaposition in your look. So, and nowhere better does this play than with a statement earring. So what I mean by a juxtaposition is the idea of opposites attract. So when you're wearing that big, bold, flashy, like I am today, sparkly statement earring, wearing it just with a casual graphic tee. I'm just wearing it with, I'll show you here, just my little Beatles t-shirt today. So wearing it with like a casual graphic tee and pair of jeans and some sneakers or some sandals, and it tones down the dressiness of the earring while at the same time taking up the style and the dressiness of your outfit. So it's a great balance, and it's a way to feel a little bit more comfortable with it, as opposed to, I'm going to put on this statement earring with my sundress today, or, you know, my jumpsuit, because that might feel a little bit too dressy if you're just starting out with it. So wearing your statement earrings with more casual looks and outfits will make it that much easier to sort of venture into that statement earring territory. So I hope that helped. I tried to get this out as fast as I could before my light turned off again. I don't know why that's doing that. But if you have any questions, please come on over to my Style Society Facebook group. I'd love to have you there, and I'd love to see your pictures of you wearing your statement earrings and braving it out into the world with your flashy earrings. And come on over if you want some more style tips and tricks and advice to my blog at lisamcclatchy.com. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.